being able to look at the data we care about, whether it's at a very high level. Being able to summarize and aggregate that data at a high level is very easy to do.
We realized that we needed a solution that was more scalable, more consistent, and easy to implement across our organization, and that lended itself extremely well to transitioning over to Snowflake and Sigma. Doing it in Excel or Google Sheets is not working anymore.
Making sure that each stakeholder within the business, whether it's marketing or operations, has the data they need and the information they need to know how their organization is performing, and therefore make decisions based off of that data. Our end users who are asking these questions about the data, it's easy for them to go in and self-service. Compared to some other tools I've used in the past, like Looker or Tableau, it's not as easy for some of the non-technical folks in the org to access and play with the data.
The time delay to deliver insights to your organization are just extremely rapid. You can go from raw data in your warehouse to a dashboard in a matter of minutes. You have the ability to surface data to anyone in your entire organization.
The company's constantly innovating new features, making it more user-friendly, always questioning how can we improve the UI. And one of the more innovative features we've seen come out recently are input tables, which allow us to manipulate and do some what-if scenarios and different things that we may be used to in Excel, just right there in Sigma with our actuals that are surfaced there as well. So yeah, very innovative.